Hey you guys, welcome back to Auntie and Me show. Today or tonight is actually dark outside, so we are going to Dollar Tree and the goal is to buy one of every fidget or one of every blind bag. So we're gonna head there and see what we can find. This Dollar Tree that we're going to has the most fidgets that I've ever seen at any Dollar Tree that I've been to. So hopefully we find some pretty new and exciting things. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 140K. We love you so much. And let's get straight into this video. Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so as soon as you walk in, we have a whole bunch of blind bags. You get one of these. We have some slime, spiderweb chunky slime. We'll get one of these. They also have these, but this is not really a blind bag. And then they have this. These are blind bags. And it looks like this. Oh wait, what is this? Alright guys, now we're in the actual toy section. So they have these, which is the fidget trading board. I guess this is part of the fidget, so we're gonna get it. Let's see what else they have. We found more blind bags. These are the Fab 5. It comes with 5 surprises. We'll get that. This is the Dollar Tree that I said had a lot of fidgets.
This Dollar Tree that we're going to has the most fidgets.
But you guys, I literally can't find a lot. So I see this putty right here. We're gonna get this putty. It looks like they have more blind bags. This is so cute. This is so cute and soft. Okay, so we didn't get this one, so we're gonna get this one and this one. They're blind bags. Guys, look at the mini Uno packs. Look how small they are. Alright, so this whole side barely had any fidgets. We're gonna turn around and see if we have more luck on this side. Okay, so it looks like we have these sticky hands. Are these considered fidgets? I think so. So we're gonna put this in. Looks like we have different color putties. So we have the yellow one. We're gonna get, this one glows in the dark. So we'll get this one. What else? Let's see what else they got. Ooh, guys, look! A squishy ball! We found a squishy ball! Okay, we're gonna get that. Let's see what else. Fidgets. Oh, guys, look, they have squishies. This one is so cute. Okay, we're gonna get this one. Look at this cat. This cat is so cute. Okay, we're gonna get this one too. Let's see what else ones they got. They got a tiger, unicorn, bear. It looks like a cat, unicorn, and a bear together. Oh guys, look. They have a sloth. We have a unicorn. And I'm dropping everything. They have that one. Look at this one. I'm gonna get this one too. Let's see what else they have. We're coming to the end. We have these blind bags. They have the SpongeBob blind bag. Transformers. And Nerf too. Okay, and that was it. Okay guys, so I think this was a fail, so let me know. I think we found more blind bags than actual fidgets. This one is my favorite. You could tell that somebody really was squishing it, so it has a lot of wrinkles in it. But we didn't find that many fidgets, so we're gonna go to another Dollar Tree and see what they have. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Oh boy.
At a store called Home Sense, and look, they have so many poppets and fidgets and cute little stuff. Look at this dimple. And it spins. And they even have the mini brand things